All right, going over the trades on the day. First trading day of the 200K portfolio around break even plus almost 200, more like 194 plus 194. That's what I'm showing right now. 200K plus 194 on the day. The new setup, 46 strategy setup. I want to show you the trade on the day. Nice trade on a pullback when we bought it in this area down here and exited up here. Just not a lot of range, just really protracted back and forth. A lot of back and forth in a narrower and narrower range. The market's trying to make a bottom and trying to zoom higher again. The bulls want to take it up higher. Just don't see it. Just don't think it's in the cards, but it could go higher. Could make new highs, but I still anticipate more downside. Still bearish. Still bearish this market. Inflation is there and it's real, so that's why I am bearish. But let's go over the trades on the day. The 50K portfolio, no trades on the day. So 50K, no trades, none. And then 200K plus 194. And so let's go over the trades. And you can see, just looking at the charts, it's a very narrow range. Sold off and then rallied back, kind of a V pattern in the S&P. The VIX was down, the ticks were sideways, the advanced decline line tried to sell off, and then they brought it back, and so I anticipate more selling, but we may get some more bounces before that. Let's go over the strategies. The trades on the day were tick pullback. Nice entry there. That was around the FOMC minutes. Just not a lot of follow through. That was a really good entry. The market looked like it was going to try to zoom higher, pulling for the market to rally today, but it didn't rally, so it's kind of weak, kind of a weak rally. And so that was a trade on the day in the 200K portfolio. Not all these strategies we're trading right now, but these are the all strategy access strategies that we're going to go over. Minus 680.50 on adapt moving average. So only 2 trades in this workspace. That includes 24 strategies. ES2, we have VSD long only, minus 2,000, 1250. Tick fader, plus 375. 2 more trades there. NASDAQ, tick pullback. We also had this trade, plus 320 in the 200K. And tick count trend, minus 625. And no trades in the other workspace windows. 60-minute breakout A, minus 525. We took that trade. And the 200K, plus 50. 60-minute breakout B. VSD long only, minus 1350. VSD long short, minus 3275. Upper 2008, plus 1550. And those are all the trades in Q2. Crude oil, these are 2 of the trades that we took, or 3 of the trades. Plus 475 on SR counter trend 2. Good timing on that. We traded SR counter trend 4 yesterday in the 50K and missed this one in the 50K, then jumped in on this one in the 200K today, SR counter trend 2, which is a winner. Cover crude, minus 95, and gap fill and reverse, plus 275. Nice trades. In crude, just a limited range here. We're seeing limited range. Natural gas, no trades on the day. RBOB, nice trade, plus 479. Gold had a couple of trades. We didn't take these trades. We took these 2 out, plus 1175. Big wild move in gold on the inflation report. So we got inflation, CPI today, as well as the Fed minutes, and it looks like the market rallied. Last time there was a CPI that was shocking, higher than expected. The stock market, I believe it rallied. I'll have to check. But it did the same thing today. And what it was doing was it was saying, the market saying, okay, higher than expected inflation, that must be a top in inflation. We're going to fade that, and we're just going to go with the, we're going to go against it. So market's being contrarian. We'll see. Minus 625 Cobra Gold. EVP2 gold is plus 1175. We didn't take those trades. Silver, no trades. Copper, we took this trade. I've considered taking out this time exit and then trying to ride this into the close. Huge move in copper. Inflationary move. Potential. Looking for commodities to continue to make more higher moves. I'm very bullish the commodities right now, and copper is leading the way today, up 3.86%. Euro currency minus 406.25. Soybeans, no trades today. Looking for soybeans to bottom here and then move higher. Looks like a head and shoulders pattern in soybeans. At this really nice looking head and shoulders pattern. You have kind of a double head and shoulders up here. You get the head here, two shoulders here, and then another couple of shoulders here. But oftentimes those head and shoulders patterns can be end up being continuation patterns. So they don't always call tops. It could. We have strategies that take long and short trade. So the analysis that soybeans will move higher will not affect our trading because we have strategies that go long and short. And soybeans day trader 3 actually does a little better on the long side. So, but you can take short trades. You can take short trades when the market sells off. You can take long trades when the market sells off as well. So it doesn't affect us whether it does that. Overall, I do anticipate higher prices in commodities. These are the optional and old setups. 60-minute breakout was the, I guess, the dog of the day. Shorting here. We took these trades shorting here. And the market's just dragging. It was determined to drag higher today. It saw that CPI number. And it did the contrary thing. So CPI came out and it initially sold off here. Got that short and then it said we're going to be contrary. Sold off again. Said we're going to be contrary. Got the minutes. Said we're going to be contrary. So the market chose to be contrary today and trade higher. But I think that we're due for more downside in the market, in the stocks, and higher prices in commodities. Let's Cobra Crude setup. Cobra Crude got short today, still holding that short. Cobra NQ, the 2020 version, 2 winning trades in a row. Bond took this long trade here. Nice long trade. Crude swing took a long trade in NASDAQ. It was profitable. Took this trade here. This crude swing is long here, holding this position. So some of the new strategies that we're looking at. We also posted a video about soybeans day trader 3, and looking forward to getting that finished and out to you if you have the all strategy access. And it could be a good time to trade soybeans. The reason I like higher prices is I think it can create more trading opportunities if this market were to move higher towards new all-time highs. So those are trades on the day for Wednesday, October the 13th, 2021.